Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing the unit that I'm wearing right now. I actually received it from ebonyline.com. They were kind enough to send it to me, and I will put all of their information in the description box below in case you want to check them out. They have a lot of other units, and I've reviewed a few of them as well. So if you check out my hair playlist, you'll be able to see a few of the ones I reviewed from them. So I have all the information right here. I'm just gonna jump right into it. So if you see me looking down, I have the card right here, and I wanna make sure I'm not forgetting anything. So this is probably going to be one of the last units that I'm reviewing for the summer, and I feel like this unit is perfect for it. So this unit is from the Janet collection, and this one is actually called Lynette, and it is from their Melt Lace Wig unit collection. And the color that I'm wearing is in the color 2, but they have a few other colors as well. The one that is on the card is actually an amber red, and I'm gonna make sure you guys can see it. I actually do like this color, but I really am feeling the color that I'm wearing right now. I just love how natural it looks. It feels really natural. It looks natural. I am absolutely in love with it. One thing I will say though, it is very, very long. It's gotta be at least 30 inches. It goes all the way down my back. And I will show you guys so you can see. It is extremely long. Personally, the longest units that I like to wear is around 18, tops 20 inches. This has got to be at least 28 inches, at least 28, 30 inches. So if you are taller, this is the perfect unit for you. But if you are short like me, I'm 5'1", and that's pushing it, I would definitely recommend cutting a few inches off, and that is my plan. So this is all the hair right here. And in the front, they have layers. So what I plan on doing is the short layer right here, this has got to be about 16, 18 inches tops. I'm gonna cut all of this so it will be the same length, maybe a little bit longer, just to give it layers. But a lot of this is being cut off just because I personally don't wear hair this long. It's a little too long. I think the only reason I would keep it like this is if I was trying to do like a photo shoot, something different. But for me, because of my height, it just looks way too long, and I want it to look natural. I feel like if I push all of this to the front and show you this in the front does look natural. And so that's what my plan is, to cut a few inches off and have it around this length right here. This hair does really feel like human hair. Like, it's so soft, and I'm not just saying it, it's very soft. It feels great. It doesn't feel synthetic at all. I will say that I did not comb it, so I can't really tell you about tangling. I mean, I'm running my hands through it. My hands, aren't getting caught in it, so tangling isn't an issue for me. And then also when it comes to shedding, it did shed around the front just because I took the lace off in the front, but other than that, I haven't experienced shedding either. So they said it's a customized natural hairline, so it's supposed to be pre-plucked in here, as well as like a natural density. It also had baby hairs as well, and normally I'm not into baby hairs. I didn't really pull out too many baby hairs. So I pushed it back. I'm just not a baby hairs type of girl. Once in a while I will pull them out, but for me, most of them you can't really see. I did end up putting that one there, but it keeps going back. So you're probably not seeing the baby hairs. The lace is transparent as well. I did put a little foundation here, so you might be able to see that, but it is really good with being transparent and blendable. I did like that a lot. It also has a 13x6 lace parting. So on this side, so from the front all the way over here, they give you a lot of space. All that space right here is what you have to work with. Of course, if you want to do different styles where you are pulling it up like she has right here, or just putting it to the side, it will work with this unit. And that's what I really like about it, because I love doing side parts. So that was pretty cool that, you can have all of that space, especially with it being synthetic. Also, if you are into really making sure your unit is down and you like to use adhesive, they give you a little to use as well. I didn't put it down on my unit just because for the sake of this video, I'm showing you this, and then I have another unit to review, so I did not tighten it like I usually do with my Got2b glue. So you might see a little bit of the lace in the front, but that's the reason why I just put it on for this video. But I did like how this unit actually gives you adhesive to put on, so if you are interested in wearing it, where you can wear it up, they give you adhesive. So I thought that was pretty neat because I have not seen a synthetic unit do that before. Oh, also for the cap construction, there are 2 combs right here. There's also one in the back, and then there is the adjustable strap. Now, if I were to wear this out, another thing that I would do to tighten it is probably put an extra comb right here in the middle. I love doing that with all my units. It really just makes it feel more snug and secure. And so that's what I would do, but for now, this is how it is. There's 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Those are the ones that it comes with. So yeah, that's basically it that I have for this unit. I will say that I really do love it. I just think it's such a great synthetic unit. It looks and feels natural, and I love the length because you're able to work with it and style it the way that you'd like and trim it to the length that you'd like as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, definitely put it down in the comment box below and I will get back to you. Like I said, this was from ebonyline.com. I will make sure to put the link to this unit down below, as well as a link to their website so you guys can check out all of the units that they have. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!